Hi, Chris Kuzmal here. We're continuing with evaluation of relational logical sentences using quantifiers. And this particular talk or this particular 5-minute video is going to be about evaluating existentially quantified logical sentences. So let's just look at some examples. In example 4, with previous videos, we looked at examples 1, 2, and 3, obviously. In example 4, we say that there exists an X such that blue of X implies cute of Dasha. Note that because the scope of X is limited to the left-hand side of the implication operator, the disjunction caused by the existential quantifier is on the left-hand side of the implication. So here we have the implication, and here we have a big old disjunction, okay? A bunch of stuff is ORed together, in other words, because we have a backwards E here, and we have to take these blues and expand them, replacing X with Dasha, leopard, ball 1, and ball 2, respectively. Now, we only therefore need one of these to be true, and Dasha is blue. So the left-hand side is true for this implication operator. The right-hand side is false. Dasha ain't cute. And that means that the entire logical sentence is false. Okay, that means it's, so we were saying if there's someone who's blue, then Dasha is cute. That statement is false because Dasha ain't, someone is blue, but Dasha ain't cute. All right, so the sentence is false. Example 5. Now we expand the scope just as we did in example 2. Now the scope of X extends to include cute of Dasha, even though X isn't over here. By pushing the parentheses out, we change the form of the sentence that is grounded, and we have a disjunction of implications just as we did in example 2. And now we're saying if the thing is blue, or if there's something that's blue, then that means, that implies that Dasha is cute. And if there exists one case where this implication is true, then the overall sentence is true. And sure enough, leopard is not blue. That's enough to make this particular part of the disjunction true. Even though Dasha is not cute, this sentence is true. This portion of this sentence, this implication is true, and is disjunction. It's in a disjunction, which means that there does exist a case where blue of X implies cute of Dasha, because there's a case where X ain't blue. Okay. Now let's see if we have time for example 6. To do example 6, we got to remind ourselves of the world we're looking at. Okay. Just remember that Dasha is blue, ball 2 is blue. Dasha is the only actor that kicks anything. Okay. I think that's what we remember intuitively. So intuitively, this is a complex sentence. For all X, there exists a Y such that blue of X implies kicks YX. So intuitively speaking, what we're saying is every case there's something blue. For everything that there's something blue, that means that something kicks that thing. In other words, if you're blue, you're getting kicked. And we can see in our example that ball 2 is blue, but isn't getting kicked. Dasha's blue and is getting kicked, and the others aren't blue and they aren't getting kicked. So we can see there's going to be 4 cases that we're going to be examining, and only one of them is going to produce that demonstrate that this sentence actually ultimately evaluates to false. The way this breaks down is step by step, and we're going to break this sentence down in the next video.